refresh rate versus touch sampling rate, what's the real difference? In the pursuit of the smoothest, most responsive smartphone experience, two metrics often dominate the display specification sheets: refresh rate and touch sampling rate. While both are measured in Hertz, and contribute to the overall feel of a device, they serve fundamentally different purposes. Confusing the two is common, but for the technical enthusiast, understanding their distinct roles is key to appreciating true mobile performance. Defining the refresh rate. The refresh rate, measured in Hertz, describes the number of times per second the display updates its image. A standard 60 Hz screen updates the image 60 times every second. A modern 120 Hz display updates the image 120 times per second. This is a measure of the output, how fast the device can present new visual data to the user. The impact of high refresh rate. A higher refresh rate directly leads to a smoother visual experience. This is most noticeable during fast-moving actions like scrolling through a long web page, watching high frame rate video content, or seeing in-game animations. The more frequent updates reduce motion blur and make screen transitions appear fluid and almost instantaneous. Defining the touch sampling rate. The touch sampling rate, also in Hertz, defines the number of times per second the display's sensor layer actively scans for user input, such as a tap or a swipe. This is a measure of the input, how fast the device is listening for your touch commands. The role of high touch sampling rate. A higher touch sampling rate directly minimizes input latency. If a phone has a 240 Hz sampling rate, the touch controller is checking for input every 4.16 milliseconds, 1000 ms, 240 Hz. This shorter interval ensures your finger tap is registered more quickly, which is critical in competitive scenarios. Output versus input. The core difference is simple: refresh rate is about seeing, visual fluency, and touch sampling rate is about sensing, touch responsiveness. One governs the speed of the animation shown, the other governs the speed of recognizing your interaction. The full duplex analogy. Think of it like a conversation. The refresh rate is how quickly your phone is talking, displaying frames, and the touch sampling rate is how quickly your phone is listening, detecting input. You need both a fast speaker and an attentive listener for a smooth interaction. Why both are necessary? A device with a high 120 Hz refresh rate but a low 60 Hz sampling rate would display smooth motion, but your touch input would feel sluggish, as the screen only checks for your tap 60 times a second. Conversely, high sampling and low refresh would register the tap quickly, but the visual response would lag. The gamer's priority. For mobile gamers, the touch sampling rate is often the more critical specification. In fast-paced games, a few milliseconds of lower latency provided by a 360 Hz or higher sampling rate can be the difference between successfully firing a shot and missing a critical opportunity. Latency and system optimization. While the sampling rate reduces the time to detect the touch, overall system latency, the time from touch to on-screen reaction, is a three-part process: sensing, sampling rate, processing, sock speed, and drawing, refresh rate. A high sampling rate is useless if the processor is too slow. The synergistic experience. Ultimately, the best user experience, the buttery smooth feeling, comes from the synergy of the two. A high refresh rate delivers visual smoothness, and a high touch sampling rate delivers tactile responsiveness. Modern flagship phones balance both to create a truly seamless and interactive digital environment.